like a palm tree standing tall under the bright sun. Remember that even in the heat of challenges, you can rise above. Life is a meadow full of open opportunities. Wander through it with purpose, embracing the beauty of your journey. When the rain falls, let it remind you that growth comes from the storms. Each drop is a new beginning. The sun sets to remind us that even endings can be beautiful. Every close is a new horizon to explore. Like a waterfall, let your passions flow endlessly. No matter the obstacles, keep pouring your energy into what you believe